Everyone, this is Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai. We're getting ready to go to the Bunker Hill Parade. It's going to be an awesome day. It's going to be a beautiful day. As you know, there's our bus, and look over here, all of our volunteers are ready. And as you can see, Alan can head over there. Everyone's got their magnetic signs. The revolution has begun in Massachusetts, the Second American Revolution. As you can see here, Bunker Hill was where the first battle was fought, right, Mike? And that's where the revolution really got kicked off after the first shot. The first shot was by Donald Trump, and we're going to end this revolution. So, Preeti, what do you got to say?
Only a real Indian can defeat the fake Indian.
That's right. What do you got to say, Mike?
Only a real Indian can defeat the fake Indian. Only a real Indian can defeat a fake Indian.
Only a real Indian can beat the fake Indian.
All right, join us. The revolution has begun. Now, Michelle, why don't you go show people how you put it on. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to put one of these on. Over here's a car, and it fits beautifully. There you go. Michelle, can you straighten it a little bit? There you go, and you can straighten it. Make sure it's straight. There we go. Yes, only a real Indian can defeat a fake Indian. These are available. Where are they available, Michelle? Online at
ShivaForSenate.com.
Go get them.
Yes.
Thank you. There you go. Welcome. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shiva. Again, we're in front of our bus at an awesome day in Charlestown, and here's Nikita Holly. Nikita came over here and she just loved our sign, and we just started talking. Nikita, what's your background? You're in Dorchester. Tell everyone.
I'm in Dorchester. I'm also Indian. So, you know.
Indian from India.
Indian,
and
Trinidadian
of African
Indian,
descent, both,
and
right?
of African American descent. I just saw this bus, so, you know, we all Indian. We come speak to Indian people. And I didn't know who this was, but I thought that was his mother or his girlfriend or something on the bus. And now it's Elizabeth Warren, so I had to step back to look at this thing. And it's really nice the way they did it. They made her look like a real Indian because she said she was Indian. She don't look like an Indian. And we can't really go off of looks. But if she had this image, then I would have thought she was Indian. So I'm sorry if I thought that was your mom, but
No,
yeah,
don't worry.
It is Elizabeth Warren.
Yeah.
She really looks good in the picture. They actually showed her ears. You know, Indians, we have here, we show our ears.
Yeah, exactly.
All the girls, they pull their hair back like this, and they all have stud earrings. So she looks pretty good.
Yeah, what's really interesting is, and people shouldn't take this the long way, you know, we were in Harvard Square, a bunch of the local white liberal students come up and they start yelling at us, calling it racist. But you see, minorities like us, we don't find this racist. We basically
I think it's cute. I thought she looked nice.
Exactly, it's a great thing. We actually are saying one of the most important things, that, you know, she lied to get into Harvard. This is not right. We all worked hard, right? I know you said your relatives were in Trinidad.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know this. The first Indians from India were the first slaves, the indentured servants, who were brought to the Caribbean. We mixed with Africans who were also brought as slaves. So that's our background. I mean, you worked hard, I worked hard. We didn't cut in line, but Elizabeth Warren cut in line. She said she was a Native American to get that job at Harvard.
Oh, she's still there?
She's still there. Well, now she's a U.S. Senator, you see? That's how it works. You lie to get into Harvard, and then you get a job in the U.S. Senate. That's why I'm running against her, because we need only a real Indian can defeat the fake Indian. We need, and it's really not about race. This is really about integrity.
Okay.
And it's about working people. America is really about hard-working people. People who are committed. People who believe that you don't cut in front of line. So anyway, Nikita Holly, great person. Here you go. Thanks a lot. Here you go, guys.
Good luck to you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, Bobby. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Here you go. Here's one thing. Hold up on the okay. Thank you. Good. How are you doing, sir? Warriors from Wareham, Mass, Marie, and she's just gotten her Road Warrior signage, magnetics. We put it right here. You can take it, see how easy it is to put on here? You put it on straight. That's one side. We go over to the other side. Come on over, Marie. We'll put it on. official initiation. As you can see here, this goes right here. Marcella, you can come in here and get it. There we go. See how beautiful it is. Shiva, only a real Indian can defeat the fake Indian. We've just initiated Marie from Wareham. Marie, how do you feel?
I'm so thrilled. I am so thrilled. We had such a good day today. I'm so
Awesome
glad
day.
I
Bunker
came
Hill Parade.
for Bunker Hill. Never been there before. Happy to be there today.
And we're looking at an activist here, and 500,000 people will see that.
I hope so.
How did you like the parade, Marie, in terms of the number of people?
The number of people there were fantastic. We had probably 80% positive comments all the way through that parade.
I would say 95. It's only a few vocal minority. But it was
vocal
great, though.
ones,
It's
yeah.
not a lot of people. It's not a majority of people supporting the fake Indian.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And that's in Boston.
Okay, here with Alfonso Trill from Lowell, Mass. Amazing road warrior. Alfonso is ready to go. How do you feel, Alfonso?
I feel great, man. We're supporting Dr. Shiva here. For me, the big issue is the food issue. He has a long history of activism against Monsanto, a big evil corporation, instead of Elizabeth Warren, who is basically has shilled for them in the past. So it doesn't matter your political beliefs, right, left. You know, we're all humans and we all got to eat. We got to eat the best food we can, clean air, clean food. So that's why I support Dr. Shiva for Senate.
Let's have the official magnetic sign plaster on her.
Wow.
And his bead, why don't you officially put it on? There's this very particular technique. There we go. Let's come on the other side. Alan, do you want to do the other side?
Yeah,
now that
let's
you've
do the
learned
other
from
side.
B.
Yeah.
There we go. So Alfonso Trill, as he's known. There he goes. You got to put it on straight. There we go.
Boom. This is very cool.
He's been real Indianized.
Now I've just turned my car into a Twitter account. So everybody on the highway has been, will see this.
Now, Alan, are you ready for the vocal minority who'll flip you? You know how to handle that, right?
Can't wait.
Can't wait. That's what it is. Road warriors, get them on the road. Just in the last 24 hours, 50 people have signed up. We're going to have thousands on the road. The revolution has begun.
Outstanding.
All right, so Marcella, why don't you show people what you got here? We got one, and we got two. We got two Indian road warriors. We have Kriti, real Indian, real American road warrior, and we have Sandhya, real Indian, real American road warrior. Remember, only the real Indian can defeat the fake Indian. Be a road warrior. Get these, they're flying off the shelves. Order them now. ShivaForSenate.com. Be a road warrior. Congratulations. Great to have you as a road warrior. Here we go. We got Jonathan the other side. We put it right here. Looks beautiful, Jonathan.
It does.
There you go. Okay, you're all set. Congratulations. Do you want to say anything to people on Twitter land?
Just let's see the real Indian defeat the fake Indian.
Hey Mike, how you doing?
Great.
Where are you from, Mike?
Andover, Mass.
Okay, we got Mike here from Andover, Mass. Mike, are you ready to be a road warriorized?
Absolutely.
All right, here we go. Put it right here. Mike, what do you think about this? How do you feel about being a road warrior?
Only a real Indian can defeat a fake Indian.
That's right. Let's do it. Thanks,
do it.
Mike. Bye-bye. A patriotic Lynn here from Springfield. How you doing, Lynn?
Hi, Dr. Shiva.
Thanks for coming in. Are you ready to be road warriorized?
Yes, I am.
What do you think about this?
Only the real Indian can defeat the fake Indian.
Are you ready when some of the vocal minority throw you a birdie? All right, let's road warriorize. There we go. It's a nice blue car. Fits perfectly.
Thank you.
There we go. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Be well.